How to use Microsoft PowerPoint for presentations. Presentations on the horizon, don't panic. This video will show you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint, a powerful tool for creating impactful and engaging presentations. Start with a blank canvas and choose a template. PowerPoint offers blank slides for full creative control or pre-designed templates to jumpstart your presentation. You can download pre-designed templates from everywhere on the internet. Click on a text box or a placeholder to enter your title, headings, and body text. You can also add images, videos, and charts to enhance your slides. Find your style by exploring different themes and layouts to match your presentation's tone and content. Use clear fonts, consistent text size, and strategic spacing to ensure your slides are easy to read from a distance. Add subtle animations to your text and elements for a more dynamic presentation. Apply transitions between slides for a smooth flow. Craft speaker notes for yourself, invisible to the audience, containing additional details or talking points for each slide. You can rehearse your presentation beforehand to ensure smooth delivery and perfect timing. Use the presenter view in PowerPoint to see your upcoming slides with speaker notes while the audience sees only the current slide on screen. With Microsoft PowerPoint, you have all the tools to create clear, engaging presentations that will leave a lasting impression on your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.